Hello, everyone. You're welcome once more on the BETONG Crypto. Today, I want us to look at Mog Coin, Myro Coin, Doge Coin. Which of these bad boys are gonna be the first to move drastically to the upside? I know all of these coins are good. Trust me. These coins are one of my top meme coins in the space. And today, I want us to look at which of the meme coins is gonna be the first to make a huge move. Of course, any of them can make that huge move to the upside, but let's see which one is likely to start giving us or printing us that huge gain, because all of these coins at this point in time are at a good zone to buy. If you are new on my platform, you are watching the Returns Crypto. Yeah, I create content to talk about market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit. I'm here to help you make the most out of this brutal crypto space. So if this sort of content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Oh boy, we have been having an amazing moment so far with crypto. We saw how the market took a huge dip to the downside. Like almost everything. Let me not say almost, like everything went down to to the bottom. And most people out there who are newbies, just they are struggling. Like, what is going on in this space? Are we gonna see an upside for the crypto market? Which coins are gonna do well? Because most coins that took this huge dip to downside may not recover. Like, trust me, not every coin is gonna recover back to normal. Only a few coins with good communities are going to make it back to the upside. So let's just look at all of these coins and see which one of them are going to give us that huge gains that we have been looking for in this space. Now, looking at this, Miro, let's begin with Miro. Miro took a huge downward turn. Look at this on the daily time frame. I mean, this coin has been like going down, and down. You can see from up here, down. So we should expect some sort of movement to the upside, because this coin is one of the meme coin I think can come back heavily to print investors money. And I know most of you out there who invest in Miro, you believe in Miro. And one thing I've noticed about Miro is more of the volume. The volume is 19.4 million. This is huge volume. This is a good volume to move price within certain ranges. Of course, it might not move price to the top or to the highest level, but it's a good volume that you can utilize to trade and make more money. Of course, guys, we are here to make more Bitcoin. We trade these altcoins to make more Bitcoin. So if say you are interested to learn how to trade to make more Bitcoin, you want to take my one-on-one sessions where I teach you everything crypto investing. I give you the knowledge that you need to take you to where you want to be. I'm going to teach you market structure, support and resistance, when to buy and when to take out profit. All of this knowledge are essential if say you want to embark in this industry long term. And also, I have a community where I share what I'm buying, what when I'm buying it, and when I take out profit. So if so, you want to be part of that community as well, all the links are found below this video. Go and check it out. Let's get back to this bad boy, and let's see. Like, of course, like if I'm you, I'm gonna be scared. Okay, looking at this time frame, I'm gonna be scared. Why? Because everything is pointing to the downside. Trust me, everything is showing down. It's like a deep hole was created, and price is going to fill that deep hole. And where is that deep hole? You can see Miro took this huge downward trend. I think that was back then around March. You see, yeah, this huge downward trend, yeah. And what are you seeing? We saw how price get back there, or price got back to that zone. Look at this, guys. This is no coincidence. You can see clearly that price get back to the zone, meaning Miro has already printed a direction a long time ago when price was still in an uptrend. It already showed us where price was heading towards. So that's why I think we should be at the bottom of Miro already. We should look at the next buy opportunity from where we are at this point in time. As of the time I'm doing this video, Miro is up for the past 24 hours 3%, about 3%, meaning there's like some sort of recovery. Some other coins are doing well as well during this point in time. But let's dive into the lower time frame for us to get the more juicy aspect of what is actually going on with this bad boy. You can see after this huge dip to the downside, price has been moving sideways, and I think the next target is to hit this 50-day moving average. Yeah, and that's going to take price to around 0.0268. Okay, and if say we break and straight above this 50-day moving average, then this is going to be good for us. So for you to confirm that maybe we are back in trend, okay, Miro need to break above this time frame, above the 50-day moving average. So this is what we want to see for Miro. I think we are getting closer to that point in time. You can see that, yeah, it should hold above this moving average on the 4 hours time frame. That's the 50-day moving average. So if we see Miro do something like that, you can buy, knowing that maybe this is gonna be where price is gonna hold. Okay, but usually I think if say we see price break and trade above that moving average, the target is gonna be around this area. Yeah, yeah, they're gonna pull back around this zone here before we see the next move to the upside. But I think overall, we should see some sort of movement from where we are right now. I think towards 0.2. 0.0260 0.0260. Yeah, so if that's the case, let's see short term how many percent we can make from that move. If say Miro leave where it is right now to that price point, we're gonna look at 20% profit. So I don't know if say you are buying right now, it's at your own risk. But I think we are not gonna see more dip until we hit this moving average. At least before we see the next dip. Why I say so? If you look at the past, each time price hit this moving average, price always come and form a zone, then price go back and hit it, then come and form that zone, go back and hit it. So we expect price to, after forming this this vectors here, to go and hit it, even though price didn't hit it yet. But we should see price do something like that, because you can see this coin has been downward, like down, down, down. And also I think for us to really confirm that we are back in an uptrend on the 4 hours time frame, we need to see Miro break above the BETONG moving average. This moving average here, and this moving average act as support and resistance. Like now, that price is below this moving average, the better moving average, price is gonna act as support, resistance. So this is it here, and it's gonna make its way right down here somehow. And if say we see price trade above the better moving average, then you want to consider getting full time Miro. So that's the analysis for Myro Coin. I don't know who you are. If say you are a strong long-term Myro investor, and if say you are that guy, then of course you can get some of these bad boy at this point in time. Myro is one of the best coin that, but like, I don't know, maybe because of the name Myro the dog. Yeah, the dog. But yeah, so go and check it out if say you want to get some of these bad boy. All right, let's get to baby Doge Coin. Let's see where we are with the baby Doge. Okay, unlike Myro Coin, Doge Coin is giving us similar signal. Okay, price is still below this 50-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame. I want us to stick on this time frame because it's gonna be easier for us to make quick gains, like trading this coin. Like for example, from where we are right now, if we see a huge move to this 50-day moving average, it's gonna be around 14%. We can make quick 14% profit. But for us to really confirm that this is going to be the case, we can bring in our FIP tool quickly from this top to this bottom here. And then the golden pocket is going to be where we can target the next move. So if say we're going to see some sort of recovery, then I think it's going to go right to this area here that I just marked. Let me just take off this FIP tool right now. So this should be the area where we expect price to go. This is going to be around the 0.0017. This is the Doge Coin Binance 1 million Binance. So if say we see price get there from where we are right now, let's see how many percent is gonna be on profit. In that case, gonna be around 13%. Yeah, give or take 13%. But I'm looking at this vector, yeah. So I would say we are looking at about 19 or 20% to the upside. And I think we can see that happen today. This can happen today. But again, what I mentioned on Myro Coin analysis is the same thing I want you to look at here. Like all of this applies, like all what I mentioned applies to whatever coin you are trading out there. So if we look at this coin right now, based on what I mentioned in the previous analysis, you can see clearly that we have left the zone. Even though I think we're gonna come back at one point to retest the zone, but at least price should hit this 50-day moving average before we see the next move to the downside. And if price moves to the downside from where it is right now, what we don't want to see is price to come right down here and make lower lows. Okay, we want price to at least hold at this level here somehow. Do something like this, go up a little bit, come back and hold, then we can take it now to the upside. So price should form some sort of W here after that huge move to the upside. So don't think that maybe price is gonna lift from where we are right now straight to the upside. No, it won't happen like that. Price have to build. They have to build the contract. Go up, come down, go up, come down, move sideways on this time frame. Build the momentum to push the price now to the upside. So whatever you're seeing right now is merely recovery. If price recover and we see that the next push downward is not able to go and make lower lows, then price can now start moving sideways a little bit before we see price trade above or start making a huge move to the upside. So on this time frame, I think it's obvious that we're gonna see this recovery. Then from this recovery, price is gonna come right down here, go up, come down, go up, or maybe price can still move, but that's the pattern that price is gonna go about if say price really want to reverse to make a huge move to the upside. Now let's get to the last, which is my mock baby. Mock coin has already hit this 50-day moving average somehow. So where we are right now, I think we are gonna revisit this zone, or maybe mock coin can do a fake out, like attempt as if it wants to go to this level here, then come back and at least retest this zone here. So I think that price is gonna do something like this for more coin on like this, come down a little bit, then do something again like this, come down, hold here, then we can see the next move to the upside. But I don't think that more coin is gonna just go straight away to this level. It can still go there, but if we do see price, if price do something like that, then this is how it's gonna play out. If say we see more coin go straight away right there, then I think what's gonna happen is gonna do something like this. We're gonna see some sort of downward trend happen quickly. Then price play a little bit downward, a little bit, maybe like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, until we break up you know, to make the next move. All I'm trying to say here, guys, is price cannot just move straight away and keep going up, up, up. Price move in waves, up, down until price start building that trend that it want to move. So in this case, we can look at this clearly, or we have been in a constant downtrend below this moving averages here. And if we want to see price get back in trend, we need to see price break above all of this moving average and start trading above. So, well, yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. And if, say, I bring in the alpha trend, I have been yeah, the alpha trend still have a sell signal here, so we should expect a buy signal from Mog Coin. But again, I can see here that price is rejecting around this zone here. We might not still see price go right down there. Of course, trust me, it might not go right down here where I mentioned. Price can still, because we have attempted this zone already. You can see this stopping volume candle, so we can just continue from where we are to the upside still. Price must not come straight away down here. Of course, usually it should, but price is not able to come there, if we start seeing price stay above these moving averages, the 50-day, the 20-day, and the better moving average, then we should consider that price want to start changing trend and move back to Valhalla. So this is what I'm looking at. And if I have to say which coins gonna pump first, you can see Mog Coin is already showing more strength than all of the coins that already got into this 50-day moving average. But the other coins haven't yet reached there. You can see Doge Coin is still attempting to get to that price point. Myro is still attempting to get to that price point. You can see clearly. So I would say Mog Coin is a coin that is going to be the first, and second will be Myro before we see Baby Doge Coin follow. You can see clearly from where price is, and also look at Myro. I think Myro is going to develop more than Baby Doge Coin. So the last coin to make that huge move to the upside is gonna be Baby Doge Coin, and this is normal with Baby Doge Coin. They always come after almost everything has pumped. So you got it already. The coins that are gonna do well. Which one is gonna be the first to move to the upside, and from there you know how to move around your money. So let's say, for example, you buy more coin and it pump, you can then buy Miro, you can then buy now Baby Doge Coin with the profit. So yeah, it's not be something good for you to use for your advantage, so that's that for today's video. If it was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such amazing content for you and your families, then make sure you share it with them. Thumbs up and subscribe if you say you haven't yet subscribed. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.